Hi everyone, in this video we will gonna look about the weightage average function of Excel, and we will use that function in this part as estimation. We will use that function in this to calculate this column. Basically the part estimation mean project evaluation and estimation review. It takes three parameters: the most pessimistic, most likely and most optimistic, and it takes different weightage. Pessimistic take 1 weightage, most likely takes 4 weightage, and most optimistic take 1 weightage. But there is no function, weightage average function in the Excel, but there is an alternate function, that is sum product function, that will be used here. The sum product, the first array that we will take here is this one array. Now we will take the weightage and we will do the absolute frequency, because we don't want to drag it down while we drag this column down. Sum product divided by sum, the sum of the weightage. We got 40, drag it down, and so we have calculated the weightage average using the sum product function in Excel. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, you can subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.